Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to play Clash Royale on Chrome. First, install a reliable Android emulator or enable Play Store support on Chrome OS, then allocate enough CPU and RAM for fluid gameplay. Next, enable hardware acceleration in Chrome and the emulator to reduce lag. Sign into your Google account, download Clash Royale, and complete the in-game setup. Finally, adjust controls to keyboard and mouse mapping for the best experience. To feel natural playing Clash Royale on Chrome, map touch gestures to a simple keyboard and mouse layout that suits your style. Focus on easy keys for card cycling, an intuitive key for spells, and mouse clicks for fast troop placement. Reduce dead zones and increase sensitivity slightly so spells land where you expect them. Spend time in friendly matches to build muscle memory and tweak bindings until gameplay feels smooth and responsive. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort that lasts through marathon sessions and comes with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming nights. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For consistent Clash Royale matches on Chrome, prioritize performance by closing unused tabs and background apps to free memory. Match your emulator frame rate to your monitor refresh rate and enable VSync to avoid tearing. Adjust graphics settings to medium if your machine struggles, and allocate more RAM in the emulator when possible. Regularly update both the emulator and the game to get performance fixes, and restart the emulator before competitive sessions to clear any resource buildup.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.